Hey, hi everyone, my name is Sami and welcome to my YouTube channel SSJ Rides. Today I want to talk about a short update about my channel and what my future plans will be. But before that, I would really like you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon because it will keep you updated on my latest videos and updates on my traveling journey. So I would really appreciate if you could click the subscribe and the bell icon. So just to let you know, I will be uploading a lot of touring and riding videos on my channel, and I had made a lot of plans to travel to different places. And I work for a tech company, and it becomes quite challenging for me to spend time at work and then spend time and in traveling, because I spend 10 hours of my day every day at office, and then the remaining hours at home. 2 days in a week is when I get my week off, and those are the only 2 days I go outside and I travel. But then unfortunately, 2 months before, as you know, that we got ourselves into home quarantine because of this COVID-19 thing, and since then it's become quite difficult for all the travelers to step outside of their home and travel and document the travel journey. I really hope that the thing gets over and it becomes everything becomes back to normal, because life has become quite boring, because it's sitting at home for a very long time because becomes quite irritating. I know you get to spend time with your family, and you're never gonna get this time in the future ever again. But then it's been quite a while now. It's been almost 2 months now, and sitting at home is really frustrating. I'm just waiting for this lockdown to be over, and I would just take my bike and go for a very long ride. So I had a word with a few of my friends, and then we were deciding where to go. I really recommended them that we could go to Goa on bike, and then we could, that's how we could travel, document our journey. But they have certain plans. Things doesn't look to be improving a lot actually in our country. There are a lot of people still who are stepping outside of their homes without any reason. Just recently I had to go to I live in Andheri, so I had to go to Andheri station to buy some medicines for my parents. And I stay in Andheri East, and from my place, Andheri station is around 4 to 5 kilometers away. When I took out my bike and I was riding to Andheri station, I witnessed that there are so many people roaming outside, sitting outside, and they're not even bothered, as in like nothing has happened. They were not concerned about the situation which is currently going on around the world. That people are they maybe they didn't realize that people are actually dying. It was a bit shocking to see that people are not following the rules in Mumbai, especially. Mumbai is highly affected by this COVID-19, and seeing so many people outside was a bit frustrating. So I because of these people, the lockdown is getting extended, and it's becoming difficult for us. But then I really hope that the government and Mumbai police, they take some strict action against these people, and really hope that things get back to normal. Alright, so I get this reaction a lot actually whenever I have my action camera mounted on my helmet. Basically, he's just asking me, what is the use of this camera, because he was really, I think he was kind of fascinated with the idea that you can mount a camera on your helmet and you can record while you're riding. So they were quite a bit anxious and curious to know what exactly I was doing. So I told them that I have a YouTube channel and I upload my riding and touring videos, and they were quite a bit impressed with that idea. And I told them that you would be on YouTube, so they were really happy. So I get this a lot actually. This reaction is quite normal. Initially, when I started recording this, I used to come across a lot of people who actually used to stop me, and they would ask me to remove the camera from my helmet, and they would have to check it from by themselves, by holding my camera. So that was quite a bit frustrating. But then I started behaving a bit, not rude I would say, but I would politely tell them that I can't remove it because the camera is on. So yeah, that's quite a bit normal. And coming back to the topic, as I was saying, that once this lockdown is over, things will be back to normal. But I really doubt that things will be back to normal as it used to be back a few months back, because there are a lot of positive cases in India, especially in Maharashtra. There are a lot of people who have been affected with the COVID-19 virus, and it will take a lot of time for them to recover. And I don't think so a lockdown will be over until and unless there is not a single person in the state or in the country affected with this virus. So time would only tell when this misery will be over. Until then, what we can do is we can just wait and we can just hope for the best that things get good back again. Plans are too many because I am planning to do a lot of rides in the future. Actually, my dream is to travel on a motorbike all over India. So I'm planning to do rides like Mumbai to Goa, Mumbai to Delhi, Mumbai to Rajasthan, Mumbai to Gujarat, Mumbai to Leh, Mumbai to Hyderabad, Mumbai to Chennai, Mumbai to Kerala. So all these rides I have decided and I've planned properly, and the only thing left to do is just remove my bike and just start recording and documenting my travel journey. Might as well I might upgrade my bike as well, so that is also in my to-do list in this year or maybe in the future. Once I get my new bike, I would be traveling more often, and I really hope that my channel grows. I get a lot of people subscribe to my channel, and I would really wish that I can take this my passion as a full time, and I can quit my job, my boring job, and I can pursue my passion and grow in it itself. Long rides will be there, short rides also will be included, because apart from long rides, I also love to do short rides as well. I know a lot of bikers who go for these short rides, and I have a lot of friends as well who are associated with these groups, and they would sometimes invite me for these short rides. Like, say for example, like Mumbai to Pavna Lake, or Mumbai to Wandri Lake, or Mumbai to Bhandara. These are just few places which I just mentioned. There are so many other places where a lot of people don't visit actually, and a lot of people are not aware of. But I know those places because I've been to those places, and trust me, I will be riding to these places which I'm talking about, and I will be documenting them and I will be uploading them on my YouTube channel. So I hope you subscribe to my channel, and I will definitely not disappoint you guys, because these are just a few things which I have discussed on the short on the short vlog. There are a lot of things which I will be doing on my channel. I just don't think that it's the right time to discuss about it now, but definitely I will be discussing it with you guys in the future. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you like my video and subscribe to my channel. If you don't like the video, you can definitely go ahead and you can hit the dislike button. I'm completely fine with that, but do leave a comment in the comment section below, and please let me know on how I can improve my vlog so that I can implement that in my future videos. Yeah, thank you so much guys. Ride safe, and this is Sabi signing out.